Hey, TK here with True Blue TV. We're here at the Smoker House, and you would never imagine that this thing was so gross when we first got into it. A lot has happened here, and today is a very, very busy day. You're going to see the base, window, painting, walls, painting, doors. Come on over here. We got doors going in, all the casings. We got all the hardware going in. We got closet doors going in. We are getting there, folks. I mean, this is rock and roll time. Going to go back into the kitchen area here, and you're going to see here we got a refrigerator, but we have no cupboards in yet. But take a look over here, take a gander over there. They're putting them together right now, and this kitchen is going to come together over the weekend. We had a little meeting here this morning about positioning the center island, what we're going to do with this post, how we're going to finish the post. We want it all to tie in nice. This kitchen is going to be fantastic. I can't wait to see the finished product. Say hi to the guys. Say hi. Hi. Say hi to David.
Hi.
All right, let's go on downstairs. I'm in the furnace room right now, and I'm going to have to go replenish my my filters. I get the cheap ones because I know I'm going to go through one every day. I've been changing filters out. I don't know. I mean, I've probably gone through 8 or 9 of them now, but you're going to see why. Right now, this basement is finished as far as we're going to take it. The homeowner wanted to save a little bit of dough, so they're going to actually paint the walls. So we did all the trim work, all the carpentry, millwork, all the sheetrock work. We textured the ceilings. This thing really it's unique. I mean, there was a lot of soffits we had to build and cover up, but I mean, heck, they could use that little area over there. I'd put a little bar in there. It'd be perfect. This is going to be such a neat basement. We've got, again, bifolds going in. Again, I talked about having 2 egresses. I've got this one. I've also got a door I got to build for this panel. That has to be accessible at all times. But again, all the millwork is in. I mean, the doors are in. The trim, the molding, casings, everything's in. We're coming so, this thing's coming together good. I would hope to be out of this thing in a couple weeks. In here, it's a little dark, but it's totally finished. Again, you got to get vanity, toilets, all that kind of stuff, but that all comes soon to come. So a couple walls here to finish, and the reason the guys didn't want to finish these is just because all the traffic coming up and down with material, and they didn't want to have to fix it, you know, a bunch of gouges, all that kind of stuff. So this will be getting sheetrocked, and, you know, heck, next time I see you, there's going to be some kitchen cabinets in, and we'll be waiting for appliances. We had our meeting this morning, and there's a huge punch list for me. I got to go get Red Guard. That's a product we're going to use in the bathroom here. So we're going to put Red Guard water protection in here. So I got to go get that. I've got a closet door right over to your left that I have to go get. That's kind of a specialty item. And then I have one door for a closet on the upstairs by the back door that was the wrong size. So I got to go get that. Some plywood. I got a whole grocery list, so I'll be going to a little Home Depot or Menards, whatever has what I need, and get that over to them. The guys plan on working all weekend, so by Monday, we're going to have another Fun day because there's going to be stuff hanging on walls. Woohoo! Thank you very much, TK, True Blue TV. We'll see you next time.